being the head coach of the track program the last few years. We've won 2 boys titles, and then we've won 1 girls title and 2 runners-up places. I've had the opportunities to help out with the state championship football team. Actually 2 now, so this is my 4th year. Just thankful for the opportunity to give back to my community and have some of those fun successes and see that growth in some of my athletes. Come on.
6 minutes.
We're gonna have to go big today. I had some success in high school, and we had won some titles. We won 3 boys titles in track and field, and 1 in football. And I think it was just so fun to be a part of those wins as a coach. One of the coolest was probably that first football title to be part of and coach, and it just so reminded me of a group of kids that I got to play with. They were just never gave up. Another good example though is this last girls track state championship last spring. We brought 4 girls here to Hayward Field and we won it, and we were projected for about 68 points and we scored 68 points. They just did all the right things to put themselves in that position to win it. And it was just such a cool experience, just to see those girls go out there and all their hard work pay off like that. I was coaching at Corban, and the opportunity came up to take on this teaching position. So I applied and got the job, but it was really all the experiences I had coaching at Corban, and then the kinesiology degree that really gave me the desire to want to pursue that. I started in education, switched my major when the opportunity came. I felt like I had the tools in my toolkit to go make that happen and do a pretty good job with it. I'm really thankful for the professors I had. I felt like Corban really gave me the tools to be successful and have a passion for what I do now, which is teaching and coaching and leading kids in the weight room. So yeah, I'm really thankful for all those opportunities. Also thankful for the opportunity to jump into a coaching position when I got hurt. And learn from such great staff, same staff we have now, like Coach Boss. Thankful for him and his mentorship, just being able to communicate with him, about my kids and how they're doing, bounce ideas off each other. I'm really thankful for those relationships I was able to build also. I would say one of the coolest memories from being while at Corban and competing was I always wanted to land on the 4x4, and I always, that was my goal. I wasn't the fastest sprinter, but I knew, as my decathlon progressed and wanting to be faster my 400, I always wanted to try to land on a relay, and got the opportunity my junior year, which ended up being my last season competing. And we went out there with 2 alternates and 2 decathletes, a 400 guy and a 400 hurdler, and went out there and won it. And thankful to just be there cheering on my teammate, Michael Schmidt. So to see him hawk down that last guy was just honestly just the best way. I didn't know it'd be my last season, but those are some of my favorite memories, was just being there with my teammates celebrating that win. So.